Hi, yo, folks. This is Max from HouseDIYHowTo.com. So I've got the unboxing of this tabletop. What is it? It's called the FireSense propane tabletop patio heater. I got this because I've just recently set up my new Android tent, and I wanted to make sure it was warm in there because it gets pretty cold here in San Francisco Bay Area. I'm about only a mile, well, not even a mile, only like a couple hundred yards away from the beach. So I've got this. I actually had I ordered the Coleman, the portable one. That one wasn't warming me up at all. But this one's supposed to be rated for I think 15,000 BTU, which is like really supposed to be pretty powerful enough to pretty much heat your tabletop, so I can work outside and including more stuff. Oh, so that's the unboxing. Probably not the best way to put it together. But let me put this together, and I'll probably fast forward all this to show you that unboxing. So it's pretty cool, I think. It's all stainless steel, so it's gonna look really nice once I've got it set up. So let me set it up real quick here. Looks like a pretty interesting circuits there. This is from the Well Traveled Living Company, FireSense. They make the FireSense. So let me do it. Hi, yo, folks. So I've got it running. It's got a pilot setting, and pretty high. And we'll see how well this works. Whoa. You know, this is part of the styrofoam that was in there. And also it has a little nice cover here. I can just close it. Yep. And the cool thing about this one is if it tops over, it shuts off automatically. And everything turns off. That's kind of cool. There we go. It's got a switch, so you can start it, electronic switch. It makes it really nice. And that's actually pretty nice. I think I can feel it. Wow, it's very warm. I really like it. Woohoo! It's very warm. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit so I can test it out. But I can feel the heat from where I'm sitting. And this is gonna work really well because it's winter season here. It's gonna get really cold, but I can feel the heat at the full setting and also as a low setting. Even at low, it's very, very warm. So I really like this. Love it. Anyway, you can get this on Amazon for around $100, but it's definitely worth it. Because because it keeps things simple without a big tank. These things only like $3. It's supposed to last you like 3 to 4 hours, but you know, it's not, you know, I'm not gonna stay here all day long, so I just buy little cans of this, and whenever I have guests over, I'm outside working, it's cold, I can use this. Anyway, that was a review of the tabletop patio heater. I really like it. It's awesome, really warm. Alright, see y'all later. Fucking awesome.